Today's unboxing review is Tom Ford, the Black Orchid and Ombre Leather Collection Travel Spray Set. This is the 10 milliliter .34 fluid ounce version. It features two unisex colognes, Black Orchid that is sweet, fruity, and is a spicy base musk, and Ombre Leather that features a strong yet sweet, bold, woody, and as the latter name implies, leather smell. Great skin time, as both last well over 10 hours. In fall and winter seasons, during the evening and nighttime, they shine. I highly recommend this one. You get a top shelf perfume and cologne in decent sized containers. I'm surprised at the cost, honestly. I've seen this one go for as low as $70. It's a must try in my opinion. This is Brother Black Spider, and I am out. Peace.